Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EcoSmart EV charging automations in Home Assistant. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup EcoSmart EV charging automations in Home Assistant, start by launching your Home Assistant interface. Log into your Home Assistant instance using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Configuration tab. Within the Configuration menu, select Automations. Locate the automation that controls your EcoSmart EV charging settings. Click on the automation to open its details. In the top right corner, you will see an option to edit. Click on the three dots or the edit icon to access additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Export. This will prompt you to choose the format for your backup. Confirm your choice and specify a location for the file on your device. Once saved, return to your Home Assistant dashboard. To ensure your backup is complete, navigate back to the Automation section. Verify that the exported automation is accessible from the specified location. For added security, consider making a copy of the backup file to a cloud service. If you need to restore the automation in the future, return to the Automations section. Click on that Add Automation button. From the options, select Import. Locate your backup file and select it for import. Ensure that the imported automation displays correctly in the list. You can now edit or adjust the automation settings as needed. This process helps secure your EcoSmart EV charging automations in Home Assistant. Regular backups are recommended to protect your configurations. With these steps, you'll maintain easy access to your automation settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.